Hello everyone, now we will be talking about the modal verb dürfen, which means something like can or may in English. Let's see the conjugation pattern. It goes as follows. As you can see, the first and the third person singular have the same ending, or they don't have an ending at all. Ich darf, I can, I may, du darfst, you can, you may, and so on. Okay, take a close look at it. Let's go immediately to the formula or to the way how we use it in a sentence. So, as you can see, at the first place we have the subject, then after it we place the modal verb, in this case dürfen, and then at the end of the sentence we place the infinitive of the main verb. Okay, we have some examples here. Darf ich hier sitzen? Can I sit here? May I sit here? Or the second question, this is a question in the first person. Darf ich etwas fragen? May I ask something? Okay. And a logical answer would be, ja, Sie dürfen. Yes, you may. Okay, very simple. You can add some other sentences, like for example this one. Darf ich hier spielen? May I play here? And the logical answer would be, ja, Sie dürfen. Yes, you may. Okay, I hope it was helpful, and see you next time.